Good day po, teachers and other government employees. So meron na po akong isi-share na very important announcement dahil ito po ay marahil na naranasan po ng ating mga kasama. So ito po yung in-offer po ng GSIS na Pag-ibig Calamity Loan and Housing Loan Insurance Claim. At ituturo ko po rito kung paano po ito ma-avail. So punta po tayo sa page po ng Pag-ibig Fund. And then makikita po natin dito, may post po sila na Pag-ibig Fund. May kasama po tayo sa gitna ng kalamidad and ready to assist members affected by Typhoon Krising through Pag-ibig Calamity Loan and Housing Loan Insurance Claim for damaged homes. So, paano po ba yung steps? Paano po ba tayo makaka-avail? Ito pong ino-offer ng Pag-ibig na Calamity Loan. So, una po is kailangan po natin mag-fill up ng kanila pong Calamity Loan Application Form. So, ito pong color blue. Check nyo lang po yan. At kayo na po ay madadirect dun po sa Pag-ibig Calamity Loan Application Form. And then, click nyo lang po ito para po ma-download yung form sa inyo pong computer. And then, you can fill up na po ito, yung mga important details po. Then, after that po, you need po valid ID, proof of income or certified income by employer on form. Next po is Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus. So, yan po yung mga requirements po for Pag-ibig Calamity Loan. Para naman po sa Pag-ibig Housing Loan Insurance Claim for material damage, so ang kailangan naman po natin ay duly accomplished application for non-life insurance claim. And then number 2, report of loss. Next po, number 3, cost of damages, bills of materials, in case of A, total loss of property, duly signed by a contractor. B, partial damage, signed by a foreman or carpenter. And then ang pang-apat po is colored pictures of damaged property or any proof of loss and or damage, no? And then pang-lima po is 2 valid IDs with signature. 1 photocopy front and back of the ID of the borrower or co-borrower. And then, pag okay na po, submit your application via email at contact us at pagibigfund.gov.ph or the nearest Pag-ibig Fund branch or at lingkod Pag-ibig on Wheels. So, ito po, no? Check po natin ito pong kanilang link para po ma-check yung how to avail po ito po housing loan insurance. So, ito po yung form na makikita po nito, accomplish the application non-life insurance claim. So, yun na po muna teachers and other government employees. So, sa mga gusto po mag-avail nito pong Pag-ibig Calamity Loan and Housing Loan insurance claim ay pwede nyo po itong sundan or i-visit yung kanilang Facebook page. Yun lang po muna at maraming salamat. Ingat po tayo!